Hello guys, welcome back to Fresh OB. So in today's video, we will be talking about a latest off-campus placement opportunity from Capgemini. So in this video, we are going to discuss about all the things one should know before applying for the job opportunity from Capgemini. So we are going to discuss about all the things such as the job description, about the role, the location they are hiring for, and what is the CTC they will be offering, and what is the educational qualification required, who all are eligible for this opportunity. So we are going to discuss about all these things in a very detailed manner. So I request you all to not skip the video in between and watch the video till the end so that you can get a clean idea about this opportunity. And for those who are new to Fresh OB, so let me tell you about this channel. So I upload all the videos regarding latest off-campus placement opportunities in various MNCs across India, and videos regarding the tips and tricks for the interviews, and videos regarding the recruitment process for all the MNCs. So if you are new, then please I request you all to subscribe to Fresh OB so that you can get all the latest updates regarding such various opportunities on a regular basis. So without making any further delay, let's move forward with the today's video, which is about Capgemini off-campus drive. So as you can see on your screen right now, so this is the official careers page of Capgemini. So I will provide this link in the description box of the video. So Capgemini Engineering Young Graduates, that is 2021 batch. So they are hiring all the students of 2021 batch only for the role of a junior developer for financial and telecommunications energy sectors. And next, here you can see like we are looking for junior developers, backend or full stack, to be part of a graduate 2021 program, and it is only accepted for students finishing their studies in 2021. That means this particular drive is only for all the students who will be graduating in 2021 only. And here you can see like this drive was posted on June 11, and experience required will be a entry level. That means they are hiring only freshers for this opportunity, and this is a full-time opportunity. So next we'll talk about the job profile. So they have given here a number of points about job profile. So we'll go through all these points one by one. So very first point here is you hold a bachelor's degree or master's degree in computer science or similar IT degree. So that means they haven't specifically mentioned any degree. Means all the BSc, BCA, BE, BTech holders and ME, MTech, MCA and MSc holders are eligible for this opportunity. And ability to act proactively and independently, but also able to work in teams, ability to work in a dynamic and multicultural environment, academic or first professional experience is a plus, knowledge of one or more of the following languages, languages like Java, C#, .NET, Angular, React.js, Spring Framework, and curiosity for DevOps, practice and tools. A knowledge of databases, fluency in English is mandatory, knowledge in French/Dutch is a strong differentiation. So next they have given here information about your job, like what you will be actually doing if you finally get shortlisted for this opportunity. So very first point here is write efficient, reusable and reliable quality code based on the latest best practices, latest tools, methods and technologies in a software development as Java, Spring, Hibernate, Angular or .NET frameworks, development and maintenance of desktop or web applications, to be involved in the complete life cycle of application development from specifications to delivery, share the knowledge with the developers. And next they have given here what they offer, like opportunity to get an employee contract, integration in a solid and dynamic team, possibility to participate in international projects, participation in exciting and motivating projects, career evolution, training possibilities and official certification within our Capgemini Engineering Academy. So this is the information they have provided here about this off-campus opportunity. So if you are willing to read all this information once again, so I will put the link required in the description box of the video. You can simply go to that link and read all this information. So next we'll talk about how actually one can apply for this opportunity and fill the registration form. So I will also show how one can fill the registration form. So So if you are willing to apply and you are eligible for this opportunity, you can simply click here on apply now button. So after clicking here, you will be redirected to the next page. So that will be the official registration page for this opportunity. So you will see a page like this, which you can see on your screen right now. So here you have to fill all the information. They'll ask you to fill like your first name, your last name, your email ID, your phone number, your LinkedIn link, your message, your CV, then your cover letter, like other certifications if you have done any kind of certification, and then do you have a work permit for Belgium, yes or no, and how did you hear about this position. So here you have to select any of the options here, and after that just click here on the I confirm that I have read the privacy policies. Once go through the privacy policies here, and after filling all this information, you can simply click here on the submit tab here. So once you click on submit, you have officially applied for this opportunity. So in this way you can apply for this latest off-campus opportunity from Capgemini. So this is a very good opportunity for all the freshers, that means who are going to graduate in 2021. So I hope you guys like this video. If you guys like, then please don't forget to share this video with your fellow friends, and if you came across any type of queries, then please mention all the queries in the comment section below. I will reply to all the queries ASAP, and we'll meet in the next video with one more such opportunity. Thank you.